Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can factory reset your Samsung 2024 model TV. Might be useful if you're having faults. Now I'm not going to go through with the reset, I'm just going to show you where it is and do the initial part of it. So we're going to go into settings, we're going to hit the settings button just on the remote control at the bottom here. And we're going to go down to where it says general and privacy and then go over to the right hand side, and then we're going to go all the way down until you have factory data reset, and then hit the middle button here to enter into that. And it's asking you to enter your PIN. The default PIN, if you haven't changed anything, will be 0000. So you're going to use this bar at the bottom here, and you're going to enter in your PIN. If you haven't done anything, 0000, and then you're going to go to done, and that then will be the factory reset. I'm not going to do that. If you just want to check where the menu is, then you can just press return and you will come out of that. But hopefully by doing that, you might fix the faults that you have on your TV. Thanks for watching.